Welcome back, viewers. This is another video repair on windshield washer pump for 2015 Nissan Sentra. It is disappointing when you look online for the washer pump and only for you to see that whole assemble being sold out. To save time looking for a washer pump replacement, the ACI 172437 is a best replacement for the washer pump if yours is broken. So we locate the washer pump and disconnect the harness. We also disconnect the line. This is the old one. It's equally the same thing as the new one. Right. So we replace the new one. This didn't come with the garment, but it fits right away. And we connect our tube. So the new pump sits on the old garment that is already on the washer pump. And everything sits all right. So let's put some fluid and then try it and see how that will work. Problem solved. Thank you for watching, and I hope this information will be relevant for you. Bye.